Oh, sorry. Yo, YouTube, you see play? You know me rated down. Yeah, I just love the part I did. Yo, and thanks to me see support and thing already. You know I got already the Danley way, right? Yes. As on the forward and make sure so share the live. Yes, man. For anybody when I know see my live already can know see my live now. So then can run come over here, so come pack up over here, so hear what me have to say now. You understand, master? Yeah. Why? And make sure you start drinking early, you know. Because you see, anything what I have to say, be a me panda liquor there. You buckle. Remage, no, fuck it. We can't have the remage. Fuck that. Sorry for the caption. It was supposed to be the other way around, but since as me a drink, you know you go already, right? Oh, and big up all of the people who always buy on the stars. I know I'm not shouting out enough what a pussy me be done. Yeah, me I say, I'm big on myself, man, and I love on like life, right? Yeah. So this morning now, one look sister send something to me inbox over the the one there with the camera on the gram. So the cat said to me, say, I see some sadamite war going in the blood clot media. You shut me say, all and roll is squid and yam pussy now. As me tell her, say, me I get all of them, something a third and you know, not even second and in a third and me a blood clot get them in there. You see me I say? And remember, I say, our brother, the king of the Y. Him Y, and say, till him blood clot, so the whole alphabet and forgot him sister. You see me I say? Yeah. And I said, Daddy. When time the girl lip on their course, and the girl say, yes, you fuck Tisha. Yes. You fuck Squid. And I tell Squid say you love. I don't know. Someone look a dirty blood clot Jamaican girl. Me no look pound in because on a seasonal sadamite. No for now so look a seasonal sadamite man have a fuck out like dog. No found in a blood clot real to somebody tell me see people that take all my marriage serious. Are people like all dirty you, makeup, Shannon fear that look a dirty girl. As a me bumbo class say still in a people. Me not go tell you say me no rich and me no drive none of them big car there and none of them things about me here and me true to my wife and listen to me now. From me and listen to the two sides of the story. Let me tell you this little girl. If you feel like say you is a boy, let me tell you now, you is fucking not. You see one time a man here was sodomite, boy yo, me a walk and a fuck down a place. Me a fuck down a blood clot place. Me a fuck down a place. All of them gyal get fucking at them all. Remember pussy and yam. So you feel so comfortable if you come here so can tell people how much pussy and yam and how much mouth your bumbo clot have. Me don't give a fuck what one sadamite want to say to you. Anytime you see one sadamite, the first thing you look on is name in pussy because that is all a blood clot all about. See one sit down right there in front of you, name in pussy is the reason why girl give the girl pussy now, you know. Which blood clot girl get up and make one next big long time thinking blood clot girl just get up every minute. With blood clot, dildo the jam him in blood clot crutches. Now most one girl that was a man then. If you as a sadamite get up and you say them, boom, you're lesbian and you want one next blood clot, man figure, man looking something, catch you and just a rub out your blood clot all the dildo. I saw him around you with the dildo, you know. All like your little pussy a jam out from underneath, you know. Ring out, rub out. You see it play? So you tell me, you know, which part of that makes sense? Well, me never knew I'm no pussy, so what the fuck you do? What the fuck you do? That's why man can't sit down and have a blood clot good conversation with me, bro. Because on the reason like some idiot. On the reason like bumbo clot idiot, bad man. You suck out pussy like a dog. Every pussy we bring in front of your table has a fucking sadamite. And yam your blood clot near me, because you know so that you feel. So when me hear sadamite get up a table, who me for, and I be a straight girl. You know wicked. Only my people blood clot relationship look like joke. You can say, oh, everybody knows I'm brawling. Wanna make people laugh off a sadamite every blood clot there. Them don't tell me so wanna make no sense. Always is the alphabetical harder. We don't make no sense. But every day when they get up and make people clown, we see them here. Because I wanna self a clown. Oh, me a fuck down yes so. Me a fuck, ya niam down this and ya niam down this man. Ya gyal pitney. Well, I know I was gonna buck up on the one another, I was gonna go in a room and pussy on the start blood clot niam. So you know, get up now. Oh yo, my ex girl did. Oh, every girl knows so me have to fuck them. It sound good when time a man say it be. Cause as much as we there, so I can talk about. Yo, me a remember for that. Me and you not even the same thing, bro. Me all born with some male business and tough up and have to do surgery. Me don't know about bumbo clot, you. Cause no found have nothing manly about blood clot, uno. But you know want tell man say, who na fuck out gyal deso, and a fuck out gyal deso, and me a run competition with this here man here, and me a the wildest thing, and me a go run up and tongue like dog, and me a go rape. Someone can't even fuck some pussy. What is that? One of the things if you get up and blood clot, put on dildo around on the waist, and not jam out people, girl pitney wall. What do you feel like I fuck that? You hear this one here? Oh, we married now. Who do you hear this blood clot story? And you tell me if them two blood clot sadamite and I lick up them blood clot head for one pussy clot black youth. This sadamite say, she did have a sadamite a foreign where she did with. Because I run down long argument, you know. Me just, from the girl said, come give me read through it, skims through it, and realize everybody is idiot. You see me? The man one, we put on the boy pitney clothes them. Him say, him buck one catty. Him carry it go fucking same night, which is near me same night. Same fucking night. Me eat it today, near me today. Me eat it today, near me today. Boom! 5 days later, it gone to Jamaica. Buck up on this other one here. Buck it see him when you carry it go and sit and go near me and they say they ride her face and who fuck fool for face. See it? She said, she tell me that she have a woman of foreign and she not left nobody for her woman of foreign. So we just go and work with the one. We just go and work with the one another. So when that she fall with a foreign now, the boy one carry her go meet him gyal one when they with up here so. This is my friend. Remember now, you know, you see social media, you have to perish with it, you know. Because now I make some talk and I remember so I make them. Remember going back 3 months ago, you and the same wife of a same vlog. We say, when time she come to Jamaica, you never know so she did that come. And your friend and say, what you doing to your ear, girl? What you doing? And the girl come, she carry you go up at Airbnb, fuck you the same night. Fuck you the very same bumbo clot night after I have the other one where they are foreign, you know. See me I say? There, so, there is no loyalty. Then you married to that one day. Then you didn't say never the one day you do with cousin on this one bag of this he say, she say, me never did a fuck you one time. You don't make no blood clot sense, man. Because some of the days are married for papers and then they're on the bumbo clot internet born a happy couple. Oh, happy couple and oh, us now, una pussy clot hypocrite. Because see him when you offer your man one day, and I better go tell you, say, oh, me tell every girl, I cannot have one girl. I have to have all of the girl. They move on a thinking blood clot for yourself. That's why the whole of them out to rank. When I walk around and name every blood clot pussy boy, pussy does a name. You just, your mouth not stand up for nothing a bumbo clot all. You just a name. Oh, my mouth no loyal. My mouth liable for rank at any bumbo clot time. As me see girl me a chimney. As me see girl me a stay free. As a lesbian, have some dignity in your blood clot self. As much as you want to be man, you can never be that. As much as you want to talk like how them boy attack, we can't talk so. As much as we want to say, we and them boy are equal, we and them dog blood clot equal. It is all right for your man say that because enough of you look a butch girl a skin out on a pussy. For girl fuck you with tongue in her ear and near me out and fuck you with blood clot dildo too. So you stop comparing yourself to man but you not fuck down the whole world. You not whore down the world. Even if you the one girl I see him say they're whoring and a fuck down and a suck every blood clot cocky inside. It not have no blood clot reason with you being a lesbian. True me a lesbian, me can't fuck enough girl. No, you walk and you have everybody pussy and that is not bumbo clot good. You go hear some sadamite, but oh, me no suck girl. Move your bumbo clot and go suck your mother. Boy, you no suck girl pussy. You devour it pussy hole. You no too lie. And that sadamite all about and then you have everybody blood clot catches. You see me I say? We can never be blood clot equal to a man them. A man can say what you are say, but you can blood clot say it. Because there is no time at all you can ever be equal with a man. What make you feel like the man they rate me? Because me know, me and not them as much as me don't want to be like each other them more while I know say, yo, yeah, I have two big balls. I bounce up against my breath. Me don't have that. I don't have not even one seed. I clot up against nothing for me, bro. You see me I say, the only thing me can do is the man I talk more while and I say, yo, Jano, would I love for bossing a girl. Bossing. Would I love that. Would I love for bossing her hole. Breed it. Get it a one youth. Mine it. You see me I say, would I love that. Would I love for girl suck my balls them. I don't have any. I don't have any balls. I don't blood clot have any balls. So when I hear other side of mine come out yes and I can talk like you a man dog, you go suck you mama dog. Because I'm not even half a blood clot me. Because me want arm over there to do much in surgery, you well want be like bumbo clot me. That more I tell you. Some of the bumbo clot time, then one time I see someone on the side of my girl, you know what I'm going to see me staying in my house. I don't going to know which part of the blood clot because the whole are confusing on the bumbo clot head, you know. You don't know myself, brother. Me know. Say me want arm for that, me can never be a man. Me not a boss, girl suck, me can't talk like how man talk. Me have a one wife. Nothing wrong with that. You see me, I say, yeah. Me can't compete with a man, no time. So when time I see enough of them little idiot butcher get up every day come go out, I say them are equal up with the man them. I wonder what kind of fucking idiot girl them here. Well on a fucking idiot. Everyone on bro. Because as much as we don't want to be like them man, we can't be like them. No time. You tell the man here you talk, so the man them laugh off of you because you sound like one girl that just make girl as a piss up in your mouth. You just sound like a girl piss pot. You just sound like girl that's a see and a fucking in your mouth like dog. Where you gonna tell them say, yeah man, me take out thumper and fuck. You're not a thumper. You better take out the little plastic them and little blood like silicone them on and buy in I shop them. Me don't even own one silicone. Me don't want them sitting there in my house. Me a run down wood. What the fuck me a do with wood? Eh? Me a go on blood clot flight with my wife. I bring me and my tongue. Because I eat that. Me freaky. Me suck out her pussy and lick off her fucking two of them. Make she fucking twinkle like star. You understand me? I say, when me a go say, yo, warm to you. Catch gal, ram out that. Yes, me could have talked so when time I did younger. Because I be a straight girl, me a fuck. And them deserve fucking at them hole. Them want fucking at them hole. So what me have to do? Put a strap on and me have to ram out straight girl pussy. Me have to ram out straight girl hole. Straight girl want them pussy for dig out. Like we are run them. Like we have blood clot run them. Let me tell you something. Lesbians don't know themselves. Swear. They don't. Them don't know themselves, youth. Remember, all the talk where you talk, babes. Nobody not care you, bring you, not hear you, because I be your crutches your name. What you think say them say about me? Oh, real pretty general, what a be your pussy that suck. What that is the truth? And the truth that? Boy, yo, you fuck you all. Oh, every woman that me deal with knows that me care and I fuck one day. You never fuck none of them. You name every fucking last one of them like a buffet. Like a fucking buffet. Then you know, have this a fucking idiot here, when they say that you, this is a plain pussy clot, yammed. Yeah, man. Me tell her, she my friend. Friend what? When I never friend no time at all, the girl fuck you from Jamaica. When I bring your fuck come a foreign, come rub in the next one the face. And then I come talk about say, no, we were on it. I'm gonna move in the bomb back like on the two lie. Two girl together fucking lie. When I lie. When I lie. You see me I say? When I make man look upon we like fucking clown. All I wanna look a sadamite girl. One of the reasons why man look upon with the way how them blood clot look upon we like we confused and giggy and fall. Cause you don't know no blood clot self youth. When the man hear a girl like you attack so, I laugh off of you like a chicken head pussy hole. Boy, yeah, man. Oh, she wear man clothes. And you feel, mama, which man you ever see you walk around with braid? I be a big plot you wear, God, bad man. Godmother. You see me I say godmother? You see me I say godmother? And that's, one time I see your godmother, that me see. Me see braid. And one girl in a man, you never look like a man yet. Look like say you still all a take fuck bad man. You see me I say? Me never see you look like a straight man yet. Me never see a man in a braid yet. When me see man in a jerry curls, me never see man in a braid yet. I swear, like you're still a transition after you being a bitch. I remember them days when me still a try to give my mother or daughter. And me I say, yeah, I have a two braid in my head same way. When you become a man, boy, you're married and have, you're a girl pit, man, go sit down. Every day you have to sit down in a black glass salon chair and get a head plot up same way. One time man go get retwist, go get the locks fixed up. Go wash your locks them. Go cut your hair. Will I fade? You girl pit the man. But you me a fuck all of them. All you unruly squid. You better shit down a wide every blood clot. Y, Z, Q, P, M, element P. The whole of blood clot them. Because every day you see Batman popcorn get up, but why pussy will you need to say why your family like a short thumper dick bitch. Nigga. You got the smallest dick in the world, so me know man a fuck you and a drive up cocky in your hole too. Me know say you there in LGBT because you quit there everywhere. Everywhere squid there you did it. So all of the sadamite party them you did it too. You look a sadamite you. Long time we know about you. We know about you long time boy. Yeah boy. We know say you do all kind of man a blood clot even when we don't say nothing to your pussy hole. Because you want to look a fish. See your little sister come fish out. All know me no hear nobody come and talk. Everybody come talk about. No, don't bring Rona into this. Bring them in there. Them for bringing a blood clotted. Because them bun people the most. Her little short, little dick brother always a bun people. And her mother, I want Christian of all Christian. Don't forget bun. Don't forget blood clot. The house where you grew up in and have nothing to do with you. You're a long time pussy footer. Footer with the thing cool. You see it so where you grew and have nothing to do with you. Because she grew in a Christian woman, she still make girl and yam out her pussy. One time the girl bust out his secret. Here the blood clot iron face one. Here the one with the iron mouth. Here him know pussy will remind me of not nice. Mother me say not nice like a sister to blood clot. But yeah. No. Cut her off I like. Cut her off I like. Me say what the blood clot do not nice like a sister man. Me I say look like say man not nice got dentist. I see him blood clot place. I see him kind of high on them in a blood clot not nice mouth, you know. You see me? Cause me see braces already. My wife having braces and they don't look like him not nice and his sister one. Because guess what? Them there's some nice place in the fucking braces in the mouth. Right? They say, you see me I say I'm good like nice muscle. Yeah. Oh, what I mean here, the other one boy, yeah. He go up on the one for years, go ride here, me under in a great time pussy to blood clot. Me wonder we no great time blood clot hole. Because me wonder, you wanna run so much competition with the man them, bro. The race already done. Bitch, you can never be one of them nigga there. No matter how you talk about me, fuck this me. You not fuck back at them boy. Yeah. Every one of the girl them where the man them fuck out and bust in her. And that you know, look, sadamite girl a drink out. And then company internet a come talk about say, yeah man, me a fuck that. You ever come tell people say, yeah, drink out people come out a girl picnic. Man them a come up and a fuck up, you know, that the blood clot womb there. And I eat ya drink out. The last time here unruly squid, not nice baby mother, baby man a fuck squid. So you know say a baby blood clot cocky juice a run again in your lesbian throat. You see me I say bro, no dog, I want the pussy clot there man. I want to make blood clot man look past sadamite like joke. One time the sadamite them talk, I be a laughing man, them blood clot. Like, how make be a laughing stock. The man, one time the man they say we hear the man them now, Jesus Christ, cool laughing stock. Remember say me a drink. Remember me a drink. So anything you say will be all against in the court of law. But not right now, because I'm not do UI. Or WUI, walking under the influence. Or SWI, sitting under the influence. No, don't the W, idiot. SUI. See me tell them, I'm slurring because the fucking liquor crawling up. You understand? There's a crawl up. Anyway, Shensia, come on. Come here, Shensia. Bumbuckler. You see one thing with me fear. Me is a youth. Me is a fear blood clot individual. You understand what I say? Remich, you come here too. You come here, Remich. Come here, Remich. Tired of this. Let me tell you something, Remich. You see me? You see that CD there? You see CD? Let me tell you something now, Papa. You need! Me put in a recycle bin. This is not a garbage. See this? This is a recycle bin. You see when you put things in it, it come back out new. You see when you put things in our recycle bin, it come back out new. Automatical. You say, yo, wow. So in America, them try to tell you, say, when you finish with the buckle, you see when you finish with the buckle them, when you hear some music or trash, when you hear some music when you know if you go in a garbage bin, you don't put it in the garbage bin. You put it in the recycle. You see recycle? Recycle is not a this. For sure, it never make good. It never make good. So when you put it in a this, you bring it. So you see when you put it in a this, and you turn it out back, so you see when you turn it back out, that means it will come with a good song. Remy, let me tell you this. You're my friend. You're my friend, Ramesh. What do you, Ramesh, call me and say I start write song? Mr. Ramesh, what you say? Ramesh say right now, be a big song I got drop. Album mode we in, you see me? I say blood clot. Remy! Me was me a drink. Me say, what you mean album mode? Remy say him write a song for Megan the Stallion and for fucking Chensia. And when me hear his song, he man say, yo, just what you hear that song there? You can't go believe say I me write it. Remy, trust me, Papa, me can't believe say you write it. Me still can't blood clot believe say you ease up half of one paper and left blood clot that funny. Me can't believe say you make we sit down up and a wait 19 days old for the same blood clot song with Chensia put. Chensia, everybody respect blood clot better for you. This not have nothing to do with spice, it have to do with your blood clot choice of fucking music. Everyone you look call up them where you get a peer fuckery bad man. It's not like say hate or nothing, you know, daddy. It's like Papa, that's what I tell you no. It's just like vinegar and water. It don't go together. Oh, you have to drink vinegar for water. You go dead. You have something go dead, bad man. When you put rap music and dance, the nowadays rap music and dance all together, it don't make no sense. A peer fuckery. Fuckery long blood clot, so you have to wonder what kind of fuckery this. That did. Mr. Shensi, I couldn't believe. Say you come out of one studio and make somebody put out that. This have to be a blood clot prank. This have to be a blood clot prank. And then tomorrow morning, you see a real song drop and they must say, got you. You have been punked. You punked us. I feel punked. Me know this is a happy blood clot like. Shensi, I'm going to tell you this. And I like you have 1 5 6 hit song or so. But you have couple tunes that you can listen to. And mama, if you thought that was it, it wasn't. Me bumbuckle Chensia. I better you go back a finger. Go on back a finger yourself. Because this you lick out and suck out here. Now go blood clot. One big old blood clot pussy who open up with blood clot teeth. You remember teeth? Me I say me pussy clot return of teeth. Return of bumbuckle teeth. Teeth bite off a man who right at the river bank in there. Right at the blood clot river bank. When you see mama kin out the pussy, then you hear man blood clot make me say me pussy clot. No sir. Come on man. Remich. Be honest to yourself. As a man. Come on now Remich man. No, we like Chensia, but you know a big fucker song that. You should have never do that to a girl career. Biggest fucker song. Look how you start the blood clot here. If a sound now go into the girl album, put on the album till next year. Put down the blood clot album till next year. This was a fucking disgrace. And look which part you go to Chensia. Chensia member, here Jamaica freaky. But for your side. Enough people now admit the freakiness yet. You come out too strong. That the WAP number 2, number 3, watch rap remix. That is the drop. That is the drop like Jamaican jump. Jump up, jump. The jump. Jamaican WAP. You understand me? I said, Daddy, and me I said, Jesus Christ, and say, you know the man them a go burn you. You know the Jamaican man them a go burn you. And tell your boy your blood clot and it you still go do. You go make Megan boots you up. If you got blood clot, do this now. No all over for shade room. Everybody will bring you down. What a disappointment to a country, bad man. Jesus Christ. When me think say you did go take Megan and turn Megan in a sitting good and turn out to be the worst blood clot. Me couldn't believe it. Me swear things say Shensi did go take dirty Megan, dirty music and transform it in a something where people could listen to. You go listen to fear style and go fuck up your blood clot self. You miss. You fucking miss with this. If this I did the Grammy where you go for, fucking put it back. Cancel that off of the blood clot internet. Because right now, when you go over shade room, me bumbo clot. When you go over there, all over pink wall, me rascal, Chensia, you better run and go put back this. You better run and go put back that bumbo clot which where they come from. You need sense. No. Fuck it, a big tune me don't sing a while ago. What is song name, man? Put your back into it. Put your back into it. Put your back into it, lick it. Put your back into it, lick it. I feel more sound better than us if you go. And come ask me if you flow next time. Remisha, I hear that right up. Remisha, who tell if you go write that the blood clot song there? You go make the girl whap or flap. That's a fuckery. Why you make some, you sabotage the girl blood clot career? And what you do, Remis, you release the girl for go sign with the people and for dropping career? Yeah, blood clot joke. You know say, from blood clot, Shensi sign with them people and not one good song Shensi not sing. Not one. You miss Shen. You miss your fuck. I mean a joke thing that you come with this morning, brother. You have people sit down up and wait to blood clot. Swear think of success. Me or everybody I say, do Jamaica accept this? I will say we humbly decline. Thank you for your support the star them, big up yourself. You understand? We humbly decline. Come on, Shensi, I don't hate nobody I hate. You know, say all America, they have criticism on their song them too. A fuckery. You know how much people come out and say, oh, that's a fuckery. Come on now, Shensi. You are one big international artist with how much in thousands of blood clot, millions of followers. Criticism can't do you nothing. And you need to know so you have to make your blood clot fans them happy. No for no artists are going to blood clot studio, go sit down and do one bag of blood clot fuck go give people more support, you know. Just tune on the fans them are going to say, yeah, yeah. You know, give people them some blood clot substance. I remember Sir Misha, my dog. I remember the Shen say, you say you're going to bring the blood clot torch for Jamaica. You have to come better than that, babes. Me I tell you that straight. Me, one of my favorite female artists at Jamaica, Jada. Jada, I'm my artist. I want to look a girl named Star Clash, I rate her, and I already know Spice and Queen and Ray. But you see them two cat there, I rate them. Jada and Stark Ashley. Them have a melody what me see can bring dancehall to another blood clot era in a music. You feel me? I did? Come on, man. We have a blood clot. No, say we are going to support the Jamaicans them. Yes. But what I want to say on the Jamaicans them are the wrongs and a fuckery. On the Kiana a blood clot clap feet. On the Kiana clap feet. Just because they say we are fans. Oh, I'm here. Enough time teacher sing some tune on me door yet. And I'm my artist. So before me tell teachers I don't rate them, I don't listen to them. You feel me I do it? Yeah. So me not gonna talk about say, yo, my artist and I don't rate. I let a whole heap of song bumbuckler. Baby do that I don't like. Me listen to Little Baby. Me listen to all of them. And enough tune them do what I don't like. You feel me I do it? How you mean? One time when you come with them fuckery, people must can send on the back on a blood clot studio with it, bro. You understand me? We don't have support system out here. But that no means so now go get up every day and construct fuckery and send out to the public. I expect if you accept it. I expect if you support it. I expect if you praise or not. No, when you come with a bumbleclot high praise. Put out good substance and music for the fans them rate. Because all that a fucker that need to go back to the drawing board 100 bumbleclot time. Me an artist, you know. But I am what music need. Me the listener. You know. You see when you are the listener, you can talk. You understand me? Most of the artists who do the song them and who self not listen to them. But who pile them up and send out come give blood clot we if you listen. Enough time Spice all the blood clot tune them in a rate to neither. You understand me I do it? Because some of the time you have to sit down and wonder if you just go in the studio them and just because you have a name already, you don't feel like you just can come out and send out any blood clot thing come give people to listen. I do a thing that, bro. And then when you tell the artists them say, that not sound good. Bring back that in our studio. Yo, Jamaicans love fight down there one another. Come on. That's why we not do better. Because when time we do worse and people telling us to go back to the drawing board, I hate. I envy. We not support. Oh, you mean? We support, you know, but I want to sound like shit. We not going to do it. When you not sound like shit, when you not sing a garbage, people for telling us our blood clot garbage. So no go back to the drawing board and come with something better. You understand me? So there's no hate behind it, you know, more than where are you going to play that song? Where are you going to play that song really? To be honest, let's talk about it. Where you going to sit down and say, which part in the dance hall that are going to come along? Where does that song fall inside of the dance hall? Come on. Don't have no one watching thousands of followers, or no thousands of subscribers, or no thousands of millions of this. Or no just give people fuckery every blood clot day. If TST start make fuckery party, them not be the hot party of blood clot. You know, another party company can take you over juicy beef, mothers are rare. Oh, you mean? You have to keep up to your standard where you give your fans them. If you come with some fuckery standards, your fans them for beat you. Them for beat you and trash your ass and tell you about your bumbleclot so you know so you have to go do better. You see me, I say, you don't need to go to blood clot better. One thing with me not going to kill up my teeth with nothing. True, no feel like, say, oh, yeah, man, I want foreign artist. I want foreigner. It don't sound good, man. So my time, you own a craft sound all blood clot better. It time you run back at them blood clot, name fuck Yankee, them Bowers Yankee. You sound good by on a blood clot self. Stick to the craft some my time, man. You understand me? Me now go tell you, say, we don't want transition, you know. Transition in our own style. Because some my time we not go in a people element and a fuck up phone element. You understand me? I say, so my time we don't stick to phone, blood clot, good one no know, bad one no know, the evil one no know. Stick to that. You understand me? Master your craft a yard before you dance abroad. You understand me? Because not everything go together, bro. You understand me? Just like I say with water and vinegar, them they not go together. You understand me, I say? So at the end of the day, you know, collab, uno fi hunt them. All of you, Jada Spice, the whole of you, all of you females, them in a dance hall, the man them too. But actually look for something with substance. Make the people them actually rate on the work. Uno put out some effort in them work here sometimes. Because remember, uno send it out to one public. Uno send it out to the public of people. Uno must know what people want to hear. Uno must know say people have not a certain standard. Uno not do the right thing, brother. Uno not do the right thing a bumbuck lad. Uno just feel like someone can go in a studio and take up bumbuck lads and yeah. Dumpling and butter, 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 dumpling. I went down to come out and give with this. We supposed to take it and say, yo, yeah man, a Jamaica, you know, Jamaica. No! Not because you're Jamaican, you're going to get up and support fuckery. Sometimes you hate the back of people blood clot talk. And the truth, sometimes when as artists can sit down in the blood clot studio them and know say, wow, now do a fuckery. That the song that one big blood clot idiot song. You don't know, but you still take it up and send go give people. You still hear it in a studio play fuckery after fuckery after fuckery. And you still take your put on phone on YouTube. You don't know a fuckery, you know? And you know, so we are going to say a fuckery too. What you think, man? You don't have to be more blood clot. You don't have to think about your fans. You don't have to think about what them earn for, what them yearn for. You see me? I say, yeah. Yeah, the song could have way better that the song that want to go back, write over, vice over, and construct in a different formulation. Me I tell you. That the formulation that will come in, it dry. Yeah, man. That I think somewhere else go put on over one part. That have to go on far over this. So. Yeah, man. Yeah. Not because you feel like you have how much in million followers, how much in million subscribers, you feel like you can't come do fuckery. You can't come sell people fuckery. You can't come out and sing fuckery and people will jump up back at you. Yeah! Yeah! No, man. That's a hypocrisy, people. When down you see them sitting there, whenever they say, oh, blatant hypocrisy. Hypocrisy at its best, yeah? Hypocrisy at its best. Eh? I don't say truth. If you don't like your truth, you're not going to like me. I just like it. Yes, yeah, dad. Your mommy a cut left on you know. Yeah, because channel your cheerleader then shame. The song was reconstruct. Yeah. The song is trash. Yeah, that's why I put it in a recycle bin. I know why I put it in a yeah, I'll be doing that's disrespectful. You understand me? Yeah. Oh, and she and the new girl, the WAP, the girl was help sing WAP. She and her sing one song. Yeah, mostly that's why. We love